moving smoothly through the sales pipeline, or are you losing opportunities without even realizing it? This is lead tracking dashboard designed to give a complete view of how leads are generated, nurtured, and converted into revenue. On the left, we get a quick summary of overall leads performance, including total leads, conversion rate, total revenue, average deal value, and win rate. These help us instantly understand the quality of our sales pipeline. The lead stage funnel shows how lead progress from qualification to final outcome, make it easy to identify where drop-offs are happening and where the focus is needed. The revenue over the time highlights successfully our leads are turning into business value, while the lead trend help us track consistency in lead generation. With source-wise lead distribution, we can clearly see which channels are bringing the most valuable opportunities. The industry-wise analysis tells us which sector are contributing the most to our pipeline, helping us target the right market. And with filters for salesperson, industry, and date range, the dashboard becomes fully interactive for deeper analysis. This solution enables smarter follow-ups, better conversions, and a stronger sales strategy. Thank you.